This would sharpen you up and make you ready for a bit of the old ultra-violence.
Not in a stinking water like this!
Thou globby bottle of cheap...
I knew such lovely pictures.
And what's so stinking about it?
He forced me to do it! I'm innocent!
And what I needed now to give it the perfect ending was a bit of the old Ludwig van.
You are now a murderer, little Alex. A murderer.
They enjoy their so-called punishment.
You're absolutely right, sir.
The problem of criminal violence is soon to be a thing of the past.
It seemed a bit crazy to me, but I let them get on with what they wanted to get on with.
Do you know anything about dreams?
I only know I want to be good.
It is no secret that this government has lost a lot of popularity because of you, Wein.
I don't care about the dangers, Father.
This is the end of the line for me. Stop it! I beg you! We can't chase!
Is for your lady victim.
I was cured, all right.